How can you add a signature on a document on the iPhone? And let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on where the document is, but most likely it is saved in your Files app, right? So that's where you can find all of your stored documents, whether it's a PDF or anything else. So if it's a PDF document, which is very likely the case, you can just find it right here in your folder, right? And if you click on it, it's likely going to open up through an application, which is called the preview, right? So as you can see, this is the preview app and we have the document open through it. And at the bottom in here, you have the form right here, like the button to fill out form. So when you tap on this, you're going to tap on a plus and the add signature option is added right here. So I can click on it, and as you can see, I've used some signatures before, so I can just reuse those again on my document. Just paste them right here, put it to the right place, and change the size as well. And I can easily just add the signature right there. If you haven't added one before, you can always just tap on the option right here to edit your signatures, tap on a plus, and just come up with a new one, which will then be used or suggested to you in the next documents as well. So that's how it works for the PDFs. Pretty okay and pretty cool. But if you have, for example, a Word document which you then need to sign, it might look a little bit different. And instead, I would just hold down on the Word document and tap on Open With, and I would just go with the Pages app right here. So if I go to the Pages as such, I will have it available right here, right? So that would work. But instead of just editing the thing right here, I would at first click on the three dots, tap on export, and save it as a PDF. So I would export the Word document as PDF, save it to my Files app, and since it's a PDF, you can use the first method, which I've just shown you before, to add the signature right there. So that is the way I personally do it myself. Let me know if it worked for you too. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.